Hi, I'm Żaneta. Welcome back to my channel. On this scorching hot day, we set off on a journey to explore Beipu, a township located in Hsinchu County. As we left our home, the sun beamed brightly overhead, promising a nice day. Our first stop was Beipu Old Street. Except on the busy streets, you can also follow the small lanes around town. Beipu City and Temple is the religious center of this town. Nearby you can also see several historical houses, such as Jiangfashi Mansion. There are plenty of street food around. Many shops are very busy, but sometimes it's better to wait in line than paying more for small and not so tasty food. Beipu Old Street has a rich history. Beipu Township, previously called Dai, used to belong to the Sasya people. The Han settlers came transforming into a thriving tea-producing area. It became really successful for a while, but later on, the tea industry started to decline, and Beipu wasn't as prosperous anymore. Despite that, people still love to visit Beipu because of its old street and the delicious Hakka-style snacks. It's a popular tourist spot where you can experience the blend of history and culture. Afterwards, we drove to Beipu coldspring. It was our last destination, as the rain interrupted our plans to drive further into mountains. We didn't play in the water, but the river was full of people. There is a car parking, but it seems not enough, as plenty of people park along the road. The sky was getting darker, so we finished our trip here. If you follow the road, you will arrive at Aboriginal village in Ufen Township, but more about it in the next video, so stay tuned! Thanks a lot for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, bye!